Welcome to Darul Arqam Schools.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Sophia Adeleke. I am in Basic 5. It is Motivational Monday. And here we'll be talking about mistakes. Mistakes simply means error in action. Mistakes are part of learning that build confidence and resilience. Mistakes means you are trying. Be proud of your effort, not afraid of the error. Every mistake shows you how to improve. The first learner started with a few movements.
Thomas Edison failed over 1,000 times before inventing a light bulb. When someone asked, "Didn't you fail?" he said, "I didn't fail. I found 1,000 ways that didn't work." This simply means failure is part of success and not the opposite of success. Have a productive week ahead. Thank you.